All right, guys. So the answers that I've seen in my chat was I didn't do rise. You can't count when the squares are uneven squares. Guys, we're not talking about the distance on the line. We can't just count on the line. We have to make sure that we do our rise, and we have to make sure that we do our run. So if I see this anywhere on independent practice, I'm going to be like, boom, you were one of them that I caught in my misconception. So make sure that you guys are counting your rise and your run, and you guys are keeping it separate. And that's all.
A joke, Mr. Lee. I was going to say, they're one that got caught in your spider web. Right, let me go ahead and clear. All right, moving forward. So you should already have this in your stamped notes because we already did it for guided one, but I just want to be very crystal clear on what we're looking for when we are in our independent practice. So there are 4 ways that you describe a slope. Number 1, positive. Number 2, negative. Number 3, undefined. And number 4, no slope / zero slope. These words are how you describe. Number 2, when it says, what is the slope? Slope is always rise over run, or the change in y over the change in x. So whichever way makes it more conceptual to understand, that is what we are going for. Today is not an exit ticket day. Thankfully on a Friday. But Monday, we will be using your independent practice part 2 as a test grade. We want to really make sure that you are drilling in on this concept. It's going to be all through November. Like, it's literally the November concept you have. Like, we need to get it. So moving forward. Oh, no. By show of yes or no in the chat, do you have this already from guided practice? Yes or no in the chat? Let's make it quick. Okay, I got August, I got the Avius. Looking for more.
Amaya's in my chat.
Okay, got it. Do you have the notes? All of the slope descriptions and the slope, I guess, formula, maybe you would say. Okay, then you need to write it down. All right, I have one that needs to write it down. So I'm putting 30 seconds. 30 seconds on the clock.
Oh.
I'm telling you, Diavius, the pot on the head is taking me out. It's taking me out. All right, 7 seconds, and I just received that the person has it, so we're moving on. 2, 1. Thank you. All right, so as I already said, we have independent practice. Mr. Lee, we're dropping in the chat now.